Brimbee, Sky! Zuri, Poppy!
Maple Flutter,
Bramble, Moss!
Azalea Bee,
The Buzzlings!
the Buzzlings.
Wow,
Look at this place.
it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Being human? User's Manual for Being Human. What is it? Wait, what's a manual? A manual is... Oh, so that's a manual. It helps you know what to do. Then what's users?
My turn.
No, my turn. How about we share?
Together.
But being human isn't a thing you use. You're right. Then what does that mean? Maybe this manual helps us learn about humans. Humans? I want to know more. Let's see what it says. Maybe it tells us what humans do, where they go, what they eat.
What they're like. But we're not humans.
Maybe we should find one.
They move like a dance.
Those roots go all the way up.
What does being human mean?
I don't know.
Maybe the manual does. Bramble always likes to take his time.
Yeah, I like to understand things first. That's just me.
That's
just me.
Let's find the perfect place for you.
Hi, little growers.
Ready? Here we go! Take my time, here I go. One more step, watch me grow. Big smile, happy feet. Growing makes life so sweet.
No rush, no race.
Everybody's
Got a pace.
That's just me.
Hey, hey,
That's just me.
hey, hey. I take my time, I do my best.
That's just me. One more step, you'll see. I take my time, and that's just me. Try again, Nice and slow, little by little, watch me grow. Keep on smiling, keep on trying, every little step
Helps me grow.
some go fast, some go slow.
Everybody gets to grow.
Come on now, sing with me. That's just me.
Hey, hey,
That's just me.
hey, hey. I take my time, I do my best.
That's just me. Step by step, you'll see. I take my time, and that's just me. Remember, little growers,
I take my time.
and that's just me.
That's just me.
Look, they're people. Grown-ups are humans.
And kids, too. Humans are people. Whoa, this place is huge, and everybody knows exactly where they're going. So, is it a book of rules? Nope, the manual isn't a rule book.
It's more like clues about being human.
All right, everyone, let's start packing up. Excellent. Nice and tidy. Very efficient.
They were already doing that.
Great work, team.
There's so much to discover.
Then let's discover it.
Come on. Come on. Huh? Hey guys, how about a dance? How about a dance break? Watch this. Bramble, look.
This isn't the whole manual.
It's only a piece.
Wait,
Only one piece? Oh my gosh! We need to find the rest.
we need a plan. Only one piece?
That means there are more.
Then we'll find them. Little by little. We'll see you next Buzzlings Adventure.